Good Monday morning, everyone. Good Monday morning to all of you. I hope you all had a great weekend and are ready to get the week started on a great note. I just wanted to give you a quick video to tell you that I was impressed with the improvement I saw on the papers that you turned in last week, and it looks like everybody's working really hard to work on their APA style and work on synthesis and all of the good stuff that comes with academic writing. I wanted to show you, in case you hadn't gone and done this yet, you can click on the ACU Graduate Writing Center through Canvas. And when you click on that, it takes you to the Writing Center. And in the Writing Center, not only can you make a paper review appointment, but you can also see that let me move the screen a little bit. You can see that there are resources that you can be accessing even if you don't have a paper appointment yet. And so there are sample papers, there are video tutorials, APA, style, grammar, punctuation, and so on. And I wanted to click on the assignment video tutorials really quickly and take you to the literature reviews tab. And you can see that Anna has a bunch of resources here about literature reviews and a tutorial that explains synthesis. So if you're still having some questions about how to synthesize, I would suggest going to the Writing Center and looking at Anna's tutorial about that, so you can get another perspective on what that means. And it's a good, again, idea to do that now, even if you're not working on your dissertation at this point, because most of the classes you take while you're here at ACU will require you to do some critical analysis and synthesis of the literature. And so, again, writing is an iterative process. You'll be working on that academic style of writing as you go through the program. And so the more you can work on it, the more resources you can access to learn about how to do that, the better. And you will get better and better at this type of writing, I promise you. You'll get lots of feedback, and as long as you're incorporating that feedback, you will get better and as a stronger academic writer as you lead up to your dissertation. Anyway, I just wanted to say hello. Hope you have a good Monday and a good rest of your week. And I look forward to reading your next set of papers and watching the next set of discussion questions. Goodbye, everybody.